Hello, my lovelies. I hope all of you are doing amazing and taking good care of yourselves and your loved ones. Today, like I promised you, we're going to be doing a spiritual dish. It's called a Buddha bowl. Buddha bowl is basically a combination of grains, plant-based protein, vegetables, dals, and is a wholesome vegan one bowl dish. So basically, it has bits of everything. There is no hard and fast recipe to this, and basically, you use whatever you have on your hands, and you can easily swap the ingredients the next time that you make it with what you have at that time. अब ये तो बहुत ही ग्लैमराइज डेफिनेशन मैंने आपको दी है बुद्धा बोल की. एक्चुअली बुद्धा बोल है क्या? बुद्धा बोल क्या होता था कि जब हमारे मंक्स जो हैं भिक्षाम देही आपके दरवाजे पे बोलेंगे, तो आप जो आपकी श्रद्धा हो, जितना आप दे सकते हो, वो आप उस बोल में डाल देते थे. तो किसी ने राइस दी, किसी ने दाल दी, किसी ने कोई सब्जियां दी, और फिर उसको हमने बुद्धा बोल बोला. सो एक्चुअली बुद्धा बोल का मतलब तो वो होता है, राइट? अब बुद्धा बोल हम क्यों बना रहे जा रहे हैं? क्योंकि in this lockdown period we don't have so much of help on our hands, and when we come back from work we don't have the thing to make so much, or maybe buy ingredients, or chop stuff finally and stuff. So what we're going to do is, but at the same time we need our nutrients, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to make a Buddha bowl which you can just basically put everything together in one go and cook it. So that is my entire reason for doing this Buddha bowl. And Buddha bowl actually is not really even a Buddhist thing. सब धर्मों में हम ऐसा करते हैं. जैसे in the Sikhs, 10वां भाग हम अपनी earning का जो है we give it to our gurudwaras or to help the needies, right? So for example, किसी के पास अगर पैसे नहीं हैं, then उसके पास जो भी उसने खेती की है or whatever, they do that. So this is not just about Buddhism, it's about actually all religions preachings, right? So and our buddies are going to make it really nice and spicy. So don't think that it's a tasteless dish just because it's spiritual, because spirituality is actually very, very delicious. Let's go ahead and make this.
It's yummy, it's flaky, it's quirky, fan-free.
We have taken a whole lot of different veggies and mix of dals to utilize everything we have in our kitchen, because it gives you the feel of what an actual Buddha bowl would be like. And we add the varis for that all-in-one spice addition to our dish. B, to make it a highly nutritious one pot meal by adding goodness that each of these vibrant colors will bring about in our food. Because remember, each color stands for a specific vitamin and mineral imparted to fruits and veggies by a natural chemical called phytonutrient. Please do watch my mixed veg sabzi video for significance of each color. Link I have given above. Thank you. See, the dal we chose is a mixed dal, as each one brings about its own house of health load, and plus it is the most flavorful dal due to its mix. It is high in folic acid, vitamin C and B1. One serving of mixed dal gives you 132 calories, out of which carbs comprise of 77, proteins account for 29, and balance 26 are from fat. One serving of mixed dal provides 7% of the total daily requirement of a standard adult diet of 2000 calories. Soak the dal well for making it cook faster and save on fuel, please. And you may cut your veggies in whichever manner that pleases you. For example, when I got bored of finely chopping garlic, I just cut them into halves. Masalas we took are basics, jeera, turmeric powder and degi mirch for the dash of color, and 1 spoon of mustard oil. We heat the pan, roast garlic, onion and varis together to make varis cook well, and then just put all the veggies in with a glass of water. Then goes in the dal, and then you can go and do your work around the house to return in say like 15 minutes. In case you didn't soak the dal well, another way to go about it is to boil the dal in a pressure cooker. Saute varis and veggies in 1 spoon of oil in a separate pan with the masalas, and then we mix both in a pressure cooker for just 1 whistle, because we don't want the veggies to go dissolving, right? Remember, enjoy looking at your food. Peeps dying for a presentation. Well, hang on. You can put steamed rice in a small bowl, press it with a spoon, and just go like this in the center of your platter for your dish to embrace around. Happy?
So we made a beautiful bowl full of nourishment. It was super quickie, barely took any effort, and utilized whatever was on our hands from our pantry. What a wonderful quickie pantry dish, right? I make this really often because, while it's cooking, I am free to do the balance stuff around home. I was very conscious about not cutting it in a proper way, because that's how it's done. And I was reminded of this very cute incident from the Gurdwara Seva that I did in this lockdown. I remember हर रोज़ 12 kg हम लोग आलू काटते थे. So the first day I asked इनको कैसे काटना है? Reply was इनको काटना है. Now that doesn't mean that you're shying away from effort, mind you. That means that there is no hard and fast recipe. And even though I follow Tantric Buddhism, and those beautiful few days that I did Seva elated my learnings from Buddhism hugely. Just goes to say it's all in one. Like this beautiful Buddha bowl, I hope you really enjoy eating it, and it will become like at least twice or thrice your week's meal. Okay, I'm going to be catching you really soon. Until then, you stay healthy, wise and happy. See ya. Take care.